Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to zoom to fill on Amazon Prime Video. This is particularly useful if you're watching content on an ultra-wide monitor and want to maximize your viewing experience without those black bars on the sides. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. This is where you'll find the extension we need to make this work. Once you're there, look for the top search bar and type in Zoom to Fill Ultra-Wide Video, then press Enter. This will bring up the search results for extensions that match your query. From the results that appear, click on Zoom to Fill Ultra-Wide Video. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can see more details about what it does and how it enhances your video viewing experience. Now click Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to install this extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will now be installed in your browser and ready to use. Next, open Amazon Prime Video in your browser and sign in to your account. This step ensures you have access to all the content available on the platform. Once you're logged in, browse through and select the movie or show you want to watch, then click Play to start streaming. Now, I can't actually play any content right now since I'm not yet subscribed to Prime Video, but I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. While your video is playing, look to the upper right corner of your browser window and click on the Extensions button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Zoom to Fill Ultra-Wide Video. This will activate the extension and bring up its controls. You'll now see the extension's interface overlaid on your video. Here you have a couple of options to customize your viewing. Click the plus button to zoom in on the video or click the minus button to zoom out, depending on how much of the screen you want the video to fill. This gives you precise control over the zoom level. Finally, select the aspect ratio that best suits your monitor setup. You can choose from options like 16:9, 18:9, 21:9, or 32:9. Each ratio corresponds to different screen sizes and preferences, so pick the one that eliminates the black bars and fills your screen perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Zoom to Fill on Amazon Prime Video, giving you a more immersive viewing experience on your ultra-wide display. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.